Hello, my name is Mr. Zuidema, or Mr. Z as they call me here. I teach AP Chemistry and also Chemistry and Physics as other classes as well. This focus is on AP Chemistry. I have a master's degree in chemistry and have taught here in public education and private education for over 40 years, most of it in chemistry. Did a little background. I am married and have been so for 43 years. I have 4 kids and 5 grandchildren. The last grandchild, she is a little more than 1 year old, had a heart transplant about 3 months ago. So there has been some challenges, but I am really thankful for the family I have. The way this class works is that on Sunday night or Monday morning, I post a calendar for the week. The calendar has an outline of all the different things we're going to do that week, and it has some assignments linked in or in the same folder. Essentially, homework in AP Chem is every night, and it can take anywhere from a half hour to an hour. Because they have a weekly calendar, though, they can work ahead if they needs be, so that they don't get bogged down in one night. It is a very intense class. We give quizzes, some of which are open note, but most of which are not. And we give assessments at the end that are based upon the AP standards, and some of them are old AP tests. AP Classroom is something they had to register for, and they should all be registered for it. On AP Classroom, there are videos and there are quizzes, and we will use it for some of the testing that we do to assess where they're at. The units, there are 9 units. The units are divided up into different sections, and we will try to get through all 9 units. That means that it's very fast-paced. A student can do this class without having had chemistry, but it's very intense, and they have to be willing to work hard to do that. I have tutoring approximately every lunch except for Wednesdays. Some days I can't do, and I usually announce that on Monday. And then I have at least one full tutoring a week on Monday morning from 7:30 to 8:30 for any of my classes. And then I have one more at least during the week for AP Chem, just devoted to them. And that's usually after school, or in some cases it might be early evening. Try to work with my students as to what time fits them best. There are labs in this class. There are 16 labs. We can't possibly do all those in a year. I don't plan to do all those. I have picked certain ones that I think are the most relevant and the most asked about, and comes on the AP exam. The AP exam is difficult. A student can get roughly 50% and get a 3. That's roughly where it would fall. You don't have to get 100% to get a 5. Past couple of years, it's been as high as 80 to 85%. Around 85%, I believe, will get a 5. Sometimes a little lower, sometimes a little higher, depends on the year. Essentially, it is about critical thinking. It's about independent learning and being able to stand on your own 2 feet. It's about problem solving and some pretty intense thinking. It's a challenge every day. It's not something you can get behind on, and it's not something that you can just sit back and watch somebody else learn it for a week and try to cram your way through class. It's intense class. There's no escaping that. However, it has huge payoffs. Besides the fact that it helps you in college maybe get out of a class, maybe not chemistry, but some class, but it also helps you with your problem solving and independent study skills to prepare you for college, helps you think deeper, and it helps in the job world as well, in the same setting, in the same situation. It really is about the future, and a kid has to be able to and willing to pay the price for that right now. It is a weighted class, so you can get a 5.0 in this class. It is possible. If you have any questions, behind me on the board is my address here and phone number. It's also posted on week 1 of the syllabus is there, and all the information is there. If you have questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you. Bye.